25 years of changing the game. The Volvo VNL. Visionary design. Impactful innovation. The standard for long haul. The Volvo VNL is built to exceed your expectations. It has been pushing the boundaries for a quarter century and will continue to set the standards of excellence today and tomorrow. Aerodynamic design. The VN line was introduced in 1996 with a revolutionary aerodynamic shape to dramatically improve fuel efficiency. The low-profile hood and contoured features have influenced every other North American aero truck design since. Meet the VNL family. VNL 860, VNL 760, VNL 740, VNL 400, VNL 300. Our flagship model, the high-roof VNL 860, builds on Volvo's foundation of fuel efficiency, driver productivity, safety, and uptime. The upgraded 77-inch sleeper has plenty of space, storage, and amenities to let team drivers feel at home, away from home. Our VNL 760 is our best-selling truck. Inside the 70-inch long, 96-wide sleepers, drivers will find plenty of space to handle day-to-day demands, whether it's catching up on paperwork, taking a meal break, or getting the rest they need for extended days on the road. Our VNL 740 is all about efficiency, designed to make the most out of every drop of fuel. Long hauls are no problem, and it's particularly well suited for weight-conscious specialty applications. Our VNL 400 is a versatile and affordable flat-roof sleeper tractor. The VNL 400 is especially well suited for the unique demands of long-distance bulk haul and specialty applications. Our VNL 300 is designed to work with the driver, delivering outstanding performance and visibility. The VNL 300 is the perfect solution when your route takes you out and back the same day. Explore the VNL series. A completely redesigned exterior offers improved airflow, along with state-of-the-art LED lighting for improved visibility and reduced maintenance. Inside, seating has been ergonomically optimized, while the dashboard and steering will bring controls and information efficiently to the driver with minimal distraction. Applications. Solutions built for you. Our new VNL series was built to make life on the road easier and more profitable, no matter what load you're hauling. D13TC now standard for all VNL models. Fuel efficiency comes standard. This D13TC is 6% more fuel efficient than our current 2020 D13 engine. And it's up to 11% more efficient when compared to 2015 truck models. Learn more. Volvo Financial Services understands your business. VFS knows the trucking industry and they understand your business. That's why VFS offers you customized solutions. From a single truck to an entire fleet. New or used. VFS is here to help you in good times and tough times. Uptime. Our highly trained uptime team manages service and schedules repairs 24/7. While our fleet management solutions provide unprecedented control over your operations. Safety. Volvo's commitment to safety protects your business by helping drivers avoid or minimize accidents, reducing cargo loss, downtime, and accident-related insurance costs. Fuel efficiency. Innovative technology. Optimized power. Improved aerodynamics. Learn how the VNL helps you squeeze the most profit out of every drop of fuel. Driver productivity. The VNL offers redesigned working and living spaces, optimized to put the driver comfortably in command, maximizing productivity. The standard for long haul. Featured news and stories. Savings compounded. The next generation Volvo D13TC engine will now come standard in all VNL 740, 760 and 860 sleeper models. Originally introduced for customers with long-haul, steady-speed operations, the next-generation 13-liter Volvo D13TC can now provide fuel savings for almost any customer in any application. Overview. Description. Day cab designed to provide outstanding performance for short-haul deliveries. Flat roof sleeper designed for longer hauls requiring overnight rest to maintain hours of service compliance. Spacious mid-roof sleeper designed for hauls requiring multiple overnight stays. A long-haul sleeper built to deliver reliable performance mile after mile. Our premium long-haul sleeper. Providing comfort without compromise. Applications: truckload/short haul, long haul/tanker/bulk/flatbed, truckload/hours of service, long haul/van trailer, premium long haul/van trailer. Cab type: day cab, 42-inch sleeper, 70-inch